This is a practical theory video on lesson 24. By the way, the music you're listening to in the background is by Richard Wagner, a German composer. From his Ring cycle, it's called The Ride of the Valkyries. This particular lesson is about music theory. Well, it's about a review, yes, of lessons 21 through 23. It is a review. So, if you've kept your packet together, this should be pretty easy. So, as I said, this is a review. Alright, so what do we have? Number 1, an eighth note looks like a quarter note with up added to its stem. Well, that answer, I believe, is in lesson 21. 2 or more eighth notes are joined together by a, also in lesson 21. 2 eighth notes equal how many quarter notes? And 4 eighth notes equal how many quarter notes? And number 5, 1 whole note equals how many half notes? Or how many quarter notes? Or how many eighth notes? Wow, look at all the possibilities. That's exciting. Number 6, a dotted note receives 1 and 1/2 counts. If I remember correctly, that answer is going to be in lesson 23. All right, for number 7, you have to answer with just 1 note. All right, so your answer has to be just 1 note. So, to help you just a little bit, remember, an eighth note equals 1/2 beat. Quarter note equals 1. Dotted quarter note equals 1 and 1/2. A half note equals 2. A dotted, look at silly me. I almost made a mistake there. A dotted half note equals 3. And a whole note equals 4. So that should help you as you figure out number 7 and number 8. However, please notice that in number 8, you're doing subtraction. And number 7, you're doing addition. All right, let's continue on the page. So for number 9, you have to write the correct time signature for each of the following measures. Well, let's see how we can figure that out. Well, I'll even do one for you. See, if you look over on the right side of that first row, this one, I will help you with that one. That is a dotted half note. Therefore, the time signature would be 3, 4. No need to thank me now. You can thank me later for doing that one for you. Alright, so, number 10. Write the following rhythm on the blank staff using any notes you wish. Alright, so you have to write the following rhythm on the blank staff using any notes. In other words, you use the right rhythms, but you can put any pitches there. Okay? Well, as always, you can always ask me questions, but I wish you the best of luck, and hopefully this helpful video has been helpful. It says, yeah, sehr gut, you're working on the music theory. Yes, sehr gut, good luck. This is the end of the video. Have a good day.